Welcome to the Department of Computer Technology. Department of Computer Technology headed by Professor Kale GP, Head of Computer Technology Department.
Myself, Professor Gorakshnath Kale, working as Vice Principal and Head of the Department, Computer Technology. Our department starts in 2000 with 60 intake, and at present the intake is 120. I am associated with Amrut Wahini Polytechnic since last 37 years. There are 12 teaching staff members in our department with ME qualifications and 4 lab assistants and 2 peons. There are 5 laboratories in our computer technology department.
Department of Computer Technology. Our vision is to become a premier computer technology department for students seeking excellence in technical education. Our mission is effective implementation of teaching learning process in a classroom and laboratories to apply and impart technical knowledge and trends in computer technology for students, to create applications through comprehensive educational programs in collaboration with industry. Department of Computer Technology staff: Professor Sapna Baheti, Professor Supriya Borade, Professor Sushma Vaksavre, Professor Shailaja Pawar, Professor Dipali Argade, Professor Vijay Thitme, Professor Vasant Bhavad, Professor Bipin Shinde, Professor Amol Shelkar, Professor Jnanadev Musale, Professor Ganesh Ghuge. Our lab assistants: Mr. Praveen Thorat, Mr. Subhash Abhang, Mr. Machendranath Khurpe, Mr. Nilesh Kere. Our peons: Kiran Avhad and Mr. Ravindra Dighi. This is Department of Computer Technology. This is Network and Internet Lab headed by Professor Jnanadev Musale and Professor Ganesh Ghuge, assisted by Mr. Subhash Abhang. Cost of lab is 10,90,828 rupees and course practical conducted for OSY, DCC, WBP and CSS. Major equipments are HP Make PCs 20 number, Lenovo Intake Server 1 and HP Make PCs 1 PC. This is Programming Lab 1 headed by Professor Sushma Vaksavre, Professor Bipin Shinde and assisted by Mr. Subhash Abhang. Cost of lab is 19,18,403 rupees. Course practical performed for Java programming, advanced Java programming, computer mobile, software engineering. Major equipments are 20 Dell PCs, UPS, HP LaserJet printer, LCD projector and Sharp multimedia projector. This is Programming Lab 2 headed by Professor Sapna Baheti, Professor Amol Shelkar and assisted by Mr. Praveen Thorat. Cost of lab is 12,95,085 rupees. Course practical perform advanced Java programming, data structure using C, Java programming and major equipments are 22 desktop PCs, 1 Lenovo server and DLP projector. This is Programming Lab 3 headed by Professor Supriya Borade, Professor Vasant Bhavad and assisted by Mr. Praveen Thorat. Cost of lab is 12,83,378. Course practical performed for advanced Java programming, programming with Python, programming in C, web page designing. Major equipments are desktop computers 24 number, server 1, DLP projector and LaserJet printer. This is hardware and computer workshop headed by Professor Shailaja Pawar, Professor Vijay Thitme, Professor Dipali Argade and assisted by Machendra Khurpe. Cost of lab is 10,65,343. Course practical performed for digital technique, programming in C, web page designing, object-oriented programming using C++ and software testing. Major equipments are HP make 18 PCs, Dell make 1 PC, Zenith make 1 PC, printer 1 and digital kits 42.